On today's body cam, we're checking out drunk lady passes out behind the wheel, that makes everything worse.
On February 20th, 2024, officers responded to a call of a woman driving recklessly who also appeared to be under the influence.
Recording.
What is her problem? What? You showed me.
This is the reckless driver that they put out earlier. She was parked on over there at the intersection. The white car came up behind her.
Where at was she?
On that road there.
She is?
She was. The white car pulled up behind her, sat there for a few light changes, walked up. She slumped at the wheel, just knocked out, and so knocked on the window. Had her come park her car over here, and then the white car was going to give her a ride home, and she got belligerent.
Oh.
So.
Well, okay.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, other side. How's it going?
I'm gonna call you back, babe. Hopefully he's gonna take my information. I got it.
And
So she was first. There was a school bus there. There was two cars in front of me, and I was the third car behind. So we have her right here at the light.
in the turn lane?
Yeah, in the turning lane. Right behind her was the school bus who was on the phone, I believe, calling you guys at the same time.
Okay.
And then there was two cars in front of me. I was the third car. So the two cars in front of me, the whole light went through. So we're all like, well, why aren't we turning? We're thinking somebody may be broken down or something. So we go on the side to make our turn to go around the school bus and whoever is blocking over here. When me and the lady, we pull over here, we see she's passed out. Okay. So the lady parks right here in the grass. I'm in, obviously, the driving lane, not the turning lane, and I park. We're banging on her window, trying to wake her up. She doesn't wake up. None of the doors all the doors are locked. The keys are still in the ignition, obviously.
She's gonna get through here real quick.
She finally wakes up and she opens her door because she couldn't even roll her window down. Yeah. The lady that I think the other officer spoke to, because she said she had to go to work.
She said that?
No, the other there was another white lady that helped, and there was a black man that helped us too. And all of them, we're all taking our kids to school. Okay. So all of them had to go. So
is your kid still in the car?
No, I took mine. I dropped her off, but I had her in my car because I told her I would just take her home, and I had her keys. I told her I wasn't going to let her get back in the car. I told her it was school time. It's morning time. You can kill somebody. Yeah. You can't be driving like this. So anyways, when she woke up, the other lady, she gave them to the man, and she ended up giving them back to her. So they take the white lady takes her car, and she parks it right here. Okay. They give the keys back to her. And I'm like, no, we can't give the keys back to her.
So her son goes to school here?
To Central. So I said to her, well, where's your son? Are you supposed to be taking him to school? Because why are you going this way?
Yeah.
Because you don't live over here. Oh, he's at home. I said, so where are you going?
So her son doesn't actually go here?
He goes to Central. My daughter knows him.
Oh.
So she said her kid's at home. Because I'm like, well, he wasn't in the car. Where is he? Are you not taking him to school? Why are you going this way? Yeah. I don't even know if she knows that he wasn't in the car. I don't know. I really.
So did she say did you smell any alcohol?
Yeah, she reeks like alcohol. Okay, I thought it could have been maybe prescription pills, or maybe she was having a stroke or a heart attack. Who knows?
Sobriety test for me? Or do you want to refuse to do those? Do you want to do some field sobriety tests, or do you want to refuse those? You do want to do them? Okay. You positive? Mm-hmm. It's up to you if you want to do them or not. Mm-hmm. You do? Okay. All right. 1 second. All right. Are you able to walk over here with me real quick? Are you able to stand up? Mm-hmm. Okay. Stand right there for me. Right there.
Why? Why would I stand right there?
Because I'm asking you to.
Where's the other test at?
A what?
Where are the other tests at?
Well, that's not the test. I'm just asking you to stand right there.
Why?
I'm asking you to.
Right here?
Yeah, right there.
Mm-hmm.
Look towards my car. Actually, go back a little bit.
Mm-hmm. This.
What?
This is another sign of a sobriety test.
No, this.
Do you want to do my lawyers or not?
Your what?
Because if I stand right here.
I let it rock for a while, man. This is unbelievable. Why your kids at home? Where's your kids, man? That's the main thing. You out here getting tooted and booted, and it's supposed to be school time, but where the kids at? The kids ain't even in school. All the parents is out and about dropping their kids off, and you out here doing whatever. So what, the kids just gonna play hooky today? Or did they hit you with the old school method? You know the old school method. When your mom come in, you know, I might wake you up, tell you to get ready for school. You know, dad not playing that. You can only get away with this with mom. You can't get away with this with dad. But, well, maybe the ladies can. You know, daddy's a girl, mommy's boy, whatever. But, you know, mom come through, right? And she'll say, hey, get up. You know, it's time. Get ready for school, whatever. And then you just pretend like you sleep. Then you just open your eyes real slow. Mom, I don't feel well. Oh, Mom, I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm sick, Mom. Oh, you know, you hit him with one of those, and then Mom be like, okay, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm thinking. But I don't think that's what's going on here. She's just off her rocker doing her own thing. Probably don't care if her kids go to school or not.
A sign of a sobriety test.
I'm secure.
Yes or no?
I haven't even got to the test yet.
No.
I haven't even got to it yet.
Okay, so you want me to stand right here?
Go back a little bit further. All right, perfect. Do you have any contacts in your eyes at the moment?
No, I do not. Do you have some in your eyes?
No, I have sunglasses on though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, stand together with your feet, with your hands by your side. Do you have anything on you?
I ain't gonna do that.
Did you guys already check her?
This is what I'm not gonna do.
What?
Because I ain't gonna do that.
Do what?
This is a sign of a sobriety test.
Do you not want to do it?
No, I do not. If you're gonna ask me to do a test, tell me a test. You're not gonna play with me.
So you don't want to do the test?
Is this a sobriety test?
Yes. Do you not want to do
Tell
it?
me that.
Do you not want to do it?
No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
No, you up.
Do you want to do the test or not?
He fucked up. I'm gonna say, hey,
Do the test or not?
is this a sobriety test?
Yes, it's a field sobriety test.
Say that.
I did say that several
Say
times.
that. Speak that shit on your camera.
My camera's right here.
Yeah, do that.
Do you want to do it?
No, I don't.
All right, that's fine. You don't have to do the field sobriety test. Well, you refuse to do the field sobriety test, so you're going to be going in custody, okay? All right?
So, wait a minute.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Don't resist. Put your hands behind your back.
Nah, it ain't no wait a minute. It ain't no wait a minute. You had your chance. Now, not doing the test, I think was the right call. But either way, you going to jail.
You're under arrest for driving under the influence.
Wait a minute, I'm driving.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm driving.
All right.
Wait a minute. How am I
Hold on, bring it to the ground.
Behind your
Bring
back.
it to the ground. Gotta get her together. She not acting right. Uh-oh. They trying to get her to the ground?
Stop resisting.
Come on, y'all skipped the whole part. How did she end up on the ground? Y'all just skipped that part? Y'all skipped the part of her getting slammed? Crime Time Cam. Yo, what's up with y'all, man? That's crazy. Y'all just cut the whole thing.
Resisting. Stop resisting them. Let them put handcuffs on you.
I don't even want to watch this shit no more. Got me tight.
You just kicked me in my face, right? So you just kicked me in my face, right? Dispatch 110. just kicked me in my face, right? I promise you I want to start it. Yeah,
Dispatch 147. Can we get a female search, please?
Who's this belong to?
You see my eye?
That's fine.
He just kicked me in my motherfucking face. Your man just kicked me in my motherfucking face.
110.
Oh.
Good.
That's fine. Bitch, I got something. Fuck y'all little ass house. Yeah. They dropped the case.
The woman was charged with a DUI, reckless driving, and resisting arrest.
ShyGotEm reaction. You know it's a hit. Drunk drivers failing under the street lamps.
Yeah, watch the footage, don't miss the stamps.
Let me know what you think of the chase.
ShyGotEm.
We out.